Hello, welcome back. We're going to take a look at this interesting problem here. So the question asks to find the values of x and y such that the shaded triangle is a gnomon to the white triangle. And so this is our shaded part here. The values of this length are 144 here. This length is 156. And this length is 60. The value of this length is y. And the value of, I guess you would call it the base, is x. Alright. So, once again, I'm going to use my tracing paper and trace over the original triangle. This length is 60. This is y. And this is x. Okay, so now I'm going to figure out how this when I line it up like this, I don't really like the way that looks so much, so I'm going to try to flip it over. Let's see if it makes more sense. Looks like that one makes more sense to me. Okay, so I'm going to set up my proportions like this. On the tracing paper I have a value of 60 here. 60 is to 156 as on the tracing paper it's x is to, I have 144 plus y. As on the tracing paper I have y, and here I have x. Okay. So from here on out it's just a matter of systems of equations. I'm going to go and set up, I'm going to take this and this and set up a system of equation here. So that would be 60x equals 156y. Then I'm going to go ahead and take these two and set that up. So that would look like 60 times 144 plus y equals 156x. Okay, so now it's a matter of plug and chug. I have my system of equations right here. I'm just going to use this other sheet right here. So I'll just recopy these out. 60x equals 156y then I'll copy this one. 60 times 144 plus y equals 156x. Okay, what I want to do to start out with, as I look at this, I might want to take this top one and solve it for y, so I could plug that y value back into here. Okay, so I'm going to take this, solve for y. So y equals 60x over 156. So y equals 5 over 13x. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this value of y, 5 over 13x, I'm just going to plug it into that second equation here. Right in for y right there. So it's going to look like this. 60 times 144 plus my value here, 513x equals 156x. Alright, good. Now, I'm going to multiply 60 times 144. I come up with 8,640 plus, I'm going to multiply 60 by 5. $300 over 13x equals 156x. Now I'm just going to, it will be easier for me to reduce. I'm gonna flip this 156 over to the other side. So as I move that over, that'll be minus. I'm gonna bring this x over, minus 300 over 13x equals 8640. I just flipped the equation around, so I get my x's all on one side. So now I just have to reduce here. $156 minus 300 over 13. So I have 1728 over 13x equals 8640. So I can just invert, multiply. X equals, so I have 13 over 1728 times 8640, 65. X equals 65. Okay, so now I have a solution for x. I have my x solution. Now, I also need to know the value for y. So I can put in, the easiest way for me to do it would be to put it in right here. So I would take 60 times 65 equals 156 y. That way I can solve for y. So I have 3900 equals 156y. Just cut by 156. So I came up for y equals 25. So I have a solution for x and a solution for y. X is 65, y is 25. Alright folks, hope that's helpful to you.